friends, a very good morning from Simhachalam, Vizag. So I am visiting the powerful deity of Vizag, and it is Simhachalam. So you can see it is beautifully located within the mountain ranges. These are the various hills, and there is lush green hills around, plenty of trees, and there is lot of greenery. So within this mountain ranges is the temple. I am showing you for surrounding. So see, everywhere there are mountains and deep valleys, and the road is also very beautiful. If you come in the early morning, you will have a very good view, and the roads are really very well built, so all the cabs can come to the directly temple premises. So now I am showing you Lord Simhachalam's temple. So this is the main temple. So this is the main gate from where you can enter into the temple. So there is a mobile section where you have to deposit your mobiles. Mobiles are not allowed inside. So from here you can go, and there are 3 lines. One is free line, one is 100 rupees line, and one is 300 rupees VIP darshan. So if you can go through the VIP darshan, you will finish your darshanam within 15 minutes. And the beauty of this darshanam is that you can directly go till the Garbha Mandapam where the actual God is residing. So none of the South Indian temples will allow you to go so inside the temple, but in this temple you can go till the Lord directly with the VIP darshanam. So once you finish your darshan, you have to come out, and there is one stambha. It is called as Kapastambham, and it is believed that if you hug this Kapastambham, your all desire, whatever you ask for the God, you will get it. So you have to take a 25 rupees ticket for that. So with the ticket you can get the Kapastambham, this thing ticket, and you can hug and ask the Lord for your blessings. So it is believed that the childless couple, if they will hug this Kapastambham, they'll get the child. It is the strong belief of the people over here. So once you come outside, there you get the prasad counter where you get pulihora for 10 rupees per packet and laddu 15 rupees per laddu. So you can take the prasadam and you can come out. So this is the outside premises of Simhachalam temple. So whenever you are in Vizag, do not forget to visit this beautiful and spiritual point, that is Simhachalam temple. So dear friend, I advise you to come here in the early morning by 7 o'clock. 2 things, that the crowd will be less and the atmosphere will be pleasant. So you know the Vizag is a bit hot and humid. Right now the climate is very pleasant because summer has not started too much over here. But apart from like winters, the climate will be little hot, so better to visit Vizag from September, October to Jan. And whenever you're visiting this temple, better come early morning or in the evenings. Thank you.